Esri's Mapping Our World modules. The geo-inquiries that we discussed earlier provided 10 to 15 minutes of instruction, typically teacher-led instruction. These modules allow us to gain a greater depth and allow students to do the majority of the work. From the home page, we can see we have directions for students, student supplements, student assessments, student answer sheets, teacher materials. I would recommend the first time you do one of these activities to print all of this out, give it a good thorough reading before you do the activity with your students. After you've gained some familiarity, you can basically just give the students the PDF and perhaps some of the supplement maps. The PDF directions include a lot of screen grabs, basically holding their hand and walking them through step by step, what to do on the map. They would launch the map from here. I often find it's easier to give them a bit.ly or a Google shortened link instead of having them type all this in, especially if you are printing the directions out for them. But it's also easy to just email them this web link as well. The map looks like this. Students then work their way through the directions using the map layers to complete the questions. Typically, 10 to 20 questions per module. A lot of, deeper thinking questions that require a little bit more in the way of writing from students, a little bit more prediction as well. These are great if you have, a day in the computer lab, you want to enhance a lesson. This one here is actually on seismic activity, earthquakes, and volcanoes. But as you can see, we have them for climate, population. This one the March of Time deals with the development of cities and how the Earth's population spread throughout the years. These are definitely great ways to enhance your lessons. They're also great ways to introduce students to a little bit longer term GIS project. They're not doing any creating themselves, but they are really kind of seeing the capabilities that GIS provides.